My name is Tiff Pateman. This is my top secret VQ32 demo car. It started life as a 1994 R32 GTR, and in 2006 it was converted into the VQ32 by Top Secret. It was put into the 2006 Tokyo Auto Salon show in Japan and also Option magazine. It's also been featured in Super Street and on Speed Hunters. So the thing I like most about the car is the sound, because it's naturally aspirated and it just sounds awesome when it's running. So I've had the car a couple of years. It's looked after by a company called RB Motorsport. The car's been repainted, it's had a lot of service work and just maintenance really done on it. I don't plan to change anything with the car, just leave it as it was built by Top Secret. No, sorry, I've messed that bit up.